Why, hello, everybody. Welcome back to Wowwy'z workshop. I am here in the beautiful woods at my in-laws' place, Mr. Randy's Enchanted Woods. And I am here today, guys, just gonna work back here a little bit in the nice shade. I got this piece of cedar, a big job here. Got that from Jordy, and now I'm just doing my best to sand it down so it's all, you see how this has all got a hump here? So I gotta get that all straight so then I can do my very, very special wood spirit project that I'm gonna do on this big piece. So that's what I'm doing. Got my angle grinders and all the sanding backing things. Shout out to Mr. Randy. Here's something that some of you, so I got this backing pad, right, for the sanding discs, and after buying it, you go to put it on, sorry for the camera, and your wrench, it don't fit. It's like 3 millimeters too big. And it's like, what the frick? So what did Mr. Randy do? He whipped up this bad boy. We just put that flat down on the piece of metal there, made the holes, and then he drilled them, put in some bolts, and now I am skippity-doo, good to go. Thank you, Mr. Randy. I love you, big guy. Thank you for doing that for me. All right, guys, time to make some glitter. Talk to you all soon. Much love.
And all the people say, well, what's going on today? Down in Wowwy'z workshop, where we use art each day to chase the blues away. Down in Wowwy'z workshop.
All right. Now, as you can see, the playing field is a lot more level now. It's not completely perfect, but this wood had a twist in it, right? So I've been going and going and going, and I flip her around and then do it on the other side. And I've been cleaning up the back too, because this was driftwood and it gave so many splinters. So yeah, it just goes to show, guys, carvings can have hours of cleanup before you even start carving. But that's the way she goes. So that's all I'm going to do today. It's getting too hot. May this find you guys with blessings. Hope you're all very happy and well. Much love.